Hailed Wall Street Willie, what is a personal loan? A personal loan is money borrowed by an individual from a bank or any other financial institution that is repaid through monthly installments over a set period. Unlike other loans, such as a mortgage or an auto loan, a personal loan can be used for pretty much anything, from home renovations to travel to paying off debt. The loan amount could range from $1,000 to $50,000. Repayment period could be between 1 and 7 years, and the interest rate can be as low as 6% or as high as 36%. Are there different types of personal loans? Personal loans can be classified as secured or unsecured. Most personal loans are unsecured, meaning they are not backed by collateral. These are approved based on the borrower's creditworthiness, determined by their credit score, income, expenses, current debt, credit report, etc. While anyone can get an unsecured personal loan, the higher your credit score, the better are the terms of the loan. With a secured personal loan, you need to provide something as collateral, like a vehicle or stocks. If you are unable to repay the loan, the lender can sell the collateral to recover their money. Since the risk is less for the lender, these loans have a lower interest rate, without the need for a very high credit score. Personal loans can also be classified as fixed-rate loans, where the interest rate is fixed for the entire duration of the loan, or variable-rate loans, where the interest rate fluctuates based on market changes. While fixed-rate loans are the most common, both secured and unsecured loans can have either fixed or variable interest rate. What can I use a personal loan for? Personal loans are very flexible and can be used for pretty much anything. Debt consolidation is a very common use of personal loans. If you have high interest debt, like credit card debt, you can take out a personal loan to pay it off and save a lot of money on interest. This strategy also allows you to consolidate many credit cards balances into a single personal loan, so you only have one payment to keep track of every month. Some other uses include undertaking home improvement projects, taking care of emergencies like medical bills, financing big events like a wedding, or making large purchases like furniture or appliances. How can I get a personal loan? Before you make a formal application, you need to make sure your credit score is good so you get the best terms. Then, you should compare different banks, credit unions, or online-only lenders based on the terms they offer. Once you choose the lender with the lowest APR, you can make a formal application with the lender. The lender would review the application and perform a credit check. If approved, you'll get the funds within a week and will need to start making repayments as per the terms of the loan. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.